anyways, we're gonna forget about that. Hello everyone, my name is Lulu and I'm making a vlog about how I spent my April. So I hope you will have fun watching it. Yeah. So let's get into it. Eating whatever this is because I was bored and I was hungry. Yeah. Also, we're in a garden right now and I'm gonna show you a bunch of pretty flowers like these. And they're all so pretty and everything's so pretty, so you're gonna love looking at them. Just look at them. Alright, so that's all I gotta share with you for this vlog, but I'll definitely make another one soon, so please make sure to like and comment and do those stuff, you know.